The COVID-19 dashboard from IBM is a powerful interactive dashboard that researchers, public officials, and the general public can use to stay informed. Use the COVID-19 dashboard to access reliable and accurate data, to gain insights, and to see how COVID-19 cases are trending over time. The COVID-19 Cases tab provides a global overview of COVID-19 statistics. You can use this tab to see the total number of cases and deaths, as well as the number of newly confirmed cases. In this tab, the visualizations show how the pandemic is unfolding over time. In the top right graph, you can see newly confirmed cases by day, represented by the bars and the axis on the left. You can also see the total cumulative confirmed cases by day, represented by the line and the axis on the right. The graph in the bottom right shows the confirmed cases over the last 14 days by region. You can view all of this data globally, narrow it down by select countries, or create your own custom data groups to track the data that matters the most to you. In the Rate of COVID-19 Spread tab, you can view the rate that the virus has been spreading for countries with over 100 cases. By default, the top 10 countries in terms of confirmed cases are displayed. However, you can view this data per country and add countries that you want to see. If you click one of the dots, you can see the number of confirmed cases that a country had for a particular day since reaching 100 cases. The Rate of COVID-19 Deaths tab shows similar data, except it's for the rate of reported deaths for countries with over 10 deaths. You can use the Global Map View tab to see how COVID-19 is spreading in a map view. Using the map view, you can quickly visualize how the virus is spreading globally over time and see how each country is being affected. Use the data player below the map to see the progression of the virus, and pause to see a snapshot of a particular date. The widget in the bottom left corner of the dashboard shows the number of confirmed cases over the last 14 days. In addition to data from the World Health Organization, the COVID-19 dashboard also leverages data from the weather company to provide state and county-level statistics and insights. Using the USA by County tab, you can view trends in the number of confirmed cases not only by the United States as a whole, but also by state and county level. As you navigate through the levels of data, whether by country, state, or county level, the charts and visualizations dynamically update based on your selections. And just as with the Global Map View tab, you can play through the progression of the virus and pause to see a snapshot of a particular date. The widget in the bottom left corner of the dashboard shows the number of confirmed cases over the last 14 days. You can also click on one of the bars in this graph to see a snapshot of the virus on a particular date. The COVID-19 Spread Over Time tab is an excellent way to track the number of confirmed cases and deaths over time. The graph on the top shows the number of confirmed cases over time, and the graph on the bottom shows the number of deaths over time. The visualizations by default show the data globally and is color-coded by region. However, you can drill down further and see the data by a single region or by countries in the region. The Global Statistics tab provides metrics on the total number of confirmed cases, newly confirmed cases, total deaths, newly reported deaths, and percentage of deaths for each country. This data is provided in a table that you can sort and filter. Use the data player below the table to see the progression of data about the virus over time. The COVID-19 dashboard provides data-rich tools that researchers, public officials, and the general public can use to get current information from official sources. The dashboard is a business intelligence tool that was built using IBM Cognos Analytics. It is accessible from your computer or mobile device.